Mema Obibia Akwaba Eba Juicy News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kevin Taylor was reacted to Sema Vim Lady edit to Bramobekaya made the story be Bram said Vim Lady our blasted mahama ne Bawumia. Sika mahama kwachiche Emma delegate or more than 40 cities for the TNT. Na Bawumia so Sika to Tokasa or de Babe the campaign Lady Eden Semu to Gyamfi. Na nuna Kevin Taylor so ababonten abetu biamane Vim Lady na wode sembu brinara atuga ansa na ebeko seminimu message say when subscribe to the channel now message say over subscribe o click subscribe button na wa bele notification o yensa video fufu bia e be upload no so wonsa ebeka bi afi wi ana wa like video no my thumbs up na fi wa share ma afufro so enya bi enhwe afi yenko seminimu nano na Vim Lady ade beto bonti a obisa mahama ene Bawumia se woni nyesika no he obekaya made the story be ebeto abonti wa unya hweye no mesese obeko Juicy News page no so na wakohwe sa story no ene the wall screen no so Vim Lady ebisa se mahama ne Bawumia woni nyesika no he woni de ochese Bawumia nyesika no he wode koto cash manfo ho kire Ghana-fo ye kwa hohia mu sa so ene obisa mahama se onyesika no he wakochiche Emma delegate ma woni TNT 40 Ghana cedi each na eno na wall screen so no wall screen ne so obetimi akwacheke Juicy News page no so na wati ensema Vim Lady edit to dwa na sansem no na Kevin Taylor obabonten abe react watutu video man Vim Lady na wo kire se Alan Cash Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng help work na no one chichi sika mama for na ade na Vim Lady enkobisa Alan Cash sika no onya sika no ewo he ene Kevin Taylor mfa no ho akere otutu bi mane no saso ene Kevin Taylor kumewu by election ebeba so no body ensem bibiri ebeto bonti yenyina nim se kumewu MP a ufiri mu no wane beto aba apɛ MP fufuro ma ne gina kumewu na mo behu a mo be kai so a ana se matia videos bi etwagu amanfo campaign a wane ye NPP for nam na wane chemiane wane chentuma ema amanfo ne nyina Kevin Taylor react ema wode ensem atudwa na yensemre no yentie Kevin Taylor ne nsem na wode tudwa ma yentie Kevin Taylor nsem no
mananti Aremeyaw na wo di face this ene ma me Aremeyaw ala wo do ntra bi mami peniwe mananti Aremeyaw na wo di face this ene ma me Aremeyaw menzo me delegate e through hono masa ko je to ka sana
and you know this one, these are the things. Pokimo or my videos when you know they never said a word. I didn't try because a MPP for 7 aba. So they kept quiet, they kept mute. Ade Alan Cash wa gather nipa thousands and almost 100 Ghana. Poki and Chile nim say Kado Ametranka say and they show us where the money is coming from. Journalism mama na time sano. You people don't read before you get on air. You don't research. You are always biased. You always want people to think, say, ye koyi president. Ye koyi amanyo fo momo digane nim. Samon tiasia. Politics na no Ghana no. Enya ebusuan hini ni ye koyi o. Enya ebusuan krachi ni ye koyi o. Ye koyi politicians momo be digane nim. Intia mama ya adwini mbra fie kaka na ehu. Eye politicians ne mmoa mo de bebreye. Dan say politician where your friend is saying nema amete na say den ansa na to abama no that foolishness na etena ha na edumatem monte ase. That is the foolishness in tia betena ha na ya mama tia say sa nkwase ade no munjai.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Kwame Nkrumah tickets. Omo MPP for ya. Omo mjijiske ya. Mumbusa mo say. Why didn't they have a problem with it? Alan Etuma Koji register. Alan Ejuma Benoye. Alan Sika Beno. Bawumia got to cast over 100. Oh, catch say, Enunti, Yanko for mahama de. Mahama Trebe be Sika ni free. Mumusa Monko for Montre. A MPP dia, Mo Bianca, NDC dia, and tough for Yendio Matem. Sankwasi adin mume enjai. Ye Dumatama, Moses ye Dumatemo. Mesa ansam na mutete Ghana can acquire Mentio Bia Keso. Ye di matema mo satanie because sa nkwasi ade na mo ya de Ghana bedu hande ene wo he de Ghana asai ye te Ghana ho kire da mo so ye kasa ma mo so ana mo kasa kasa mo so amuntumi nkasa ena nipa bi di mo so na omo sem life mo bre ye kasa je mo so a ena me see me show we me nkan kire obi aso nhwem you. I have not begged anybody in my life to watch my show. Me mpa obi a chow in my life. So if what I am doing you don't like, don't watch. Dia mekan wa hano ene dia meye no, if you don't like it, don't even watch it. And that is my policy. I am not Jesus Christ. I cannot solve everybody's problem. But what I am telling you is, if you don't like what I do, don't watch what I do. And it's a simple message I am putting out there for everyone to understand. Bawumia MPP4, they are doing something right now. Makachem say it is making them panic. Now, again, na emo mo panicky no. And Anadri, I just got on air. I think they just sent me this. And the show we are Kumewu by election. Anadri ye kwan Kumewu. Anadri, as we sit here, Kumewu. MPP ye kwan. Busa won say Aden Anadri na ye kwan Kumewu. Mumbusa won say Aden tin Anadri we na afi na ye kwan. Because MPP who asantifo so mo Jimmy. Finished. And one no. So I say when me can na say eya wo ya na won tia se me muade a, it is your problem. Na say party or tesno hu se mo Jimmy a, eya den the night or 2 days to elections. Mo kai say Kumewu for a demonstration about their route da. Last year, they had a whole demonstration about omo kwan a enye Kumewu hene otikro no mo. Ono so de na no tu mu say omo kro mu kwan nye. MPP aban eba eye Ashanti region Akufo-Addo ka kire eye asantefo se menya mo kwan mamo na se mo beto atia me a mo fam kwase anko no a obi anka bibia aka 2 days me akoto aba and the Kumewu ye kwan anadwi de na kire se kwan we bedi 1 month e kwan a yetumi dwiri so nne na ye de mboba eguso na ye de kotal eguso wan de na kire se yuso twa sa kwan we e bedi 1 month. Do you know how long it takes to build a kilometer of road papa? Do you know how long it takes? Obi the 24 hours ejuri kwan so e de sapeti eguso e de kotal eguso o say we de odwene ho MPP no hu asantefo e de Kumewufo so mo Jimmy and then last make catch them no. By beba so I wanted you people to see the reality. Ade we kekekra MPP and kire say omumbu Kumewu hene no. Ade we ya MPP eye Kumewu anadwi no e kire se Kumewu hene no kro omumbu no sebio omu ho hene ne se onim nyansa ono abadwene hu se omubu ni kwasea. I'm being honest here. Omubu Kumewu hene se ono krampo de onim nyansa na ohene panyini tifie. Waka no kwan wansama almost 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. When fi no ohun se ohene no sebio onyo bia o se etie no ade chi ne beto aba mo de nyoma be si kwan se mo ye unim se eyanim tia mo di natem. Can't you people see? Now when me ka sabia na say me de me fa cross me tare menim ansa na wogu se Kevin na also bu ade emu ade be na wo sa de hu etam didi omo di ohene no ani kromofo no e chen me de o yo ohene na to krom na o pre say yemfa bibimra krom ya ye bibia ye me no krom na ye president oteso aban oteso efiu na wo MP wu na ka 2 days na obetina krom say oyama wa enyanim tia. Do I have to come and sit here and say please? I was saying, I say, na me dem to me say, me mama awuneni nti me sremo. I will not do that. And I will never shy away say me mama awuneni. I will not shy away from that. Inti me butu enim abrama catch na etua to for years. Na ende na say we ba beto aba afena wo de ka aba be si kwan so say de ye be ye kwan. Eyanim tia ma me ohene no. That is why I'm saying say MPP no omo hu Kumewufo so omo Jimmy. Titiru no mu asantefo nyina so omo Jimmy because asantefo yaka to be mutimu say ye the MPP atwa omo furuma enti mpunti okura mba ye pe. That is why they are treating asantefo say. That is why they are treating asantefo say. Na ehina okakote side de wo. And so nobody has a problem with it. Yeah, try my Kevin Taylor ka ni aka say Kevin Taylor muade. E dey disrespect the chain we. Now, where the Ebeka wasem munyina mo hu sa videos we are MPP4 nam Kumewu. I know so by this time there obia ehu and the disrespect wo eduane no mo chedu no just say enye eduane no mo chedu Say ya say aduane egu rob mu te say imponchi aduane. Ya sesa emu fin bi o. Emu fin bi. Ya sesa bola rob bim. Ena yede ko efie ena entomafon bi na yede gitumi. Na wo ya ban, so wo ya MP, so wa ban na wo so, na se wa ya adwuma a, e de na wo soma me ade emu egu bag mu te se mponche, emu ni beans. Na yede koma nipa se giwe na to aba. Na nipa na wo so wo gye saade na to aba no, sebio wa adwene da otirim na wan. E de aduane ne mom no, gari ne beans ne Aremeyaw. Eye emrantie na omo ye saade no. Those taking the items in here omo abani di hia buburu abeto omo so ena ebi mo also asebio omo nyama adwene se omo besua nyansa wa aba o matototum nyina na de Aremeyaw ewo video we mu ne se omo edi ade ne ma omo no emrantie no usi their age omo mbro 30 years old. These are the men who come on social media. These are the young men who are always on social media doing what? These are the young men on social media always coming to insult you. These boys na no mo chenyoma no omo na ye me problem no. Enye abrewane ne sebio ehiafo no nabkofo no omo ni o. We mu no mo say omo de Ghana no omo no bema Ghana ye. These are the people. These young boys na no mo cheduane no. Omo na are the enemy of the people. Omo na nke ye pem kofo abromo a omo na ho se bromo. Because if the future of the nation, we are always talking about the young generation, they will change things. These are the foolish ones making things difficult for us. It's a video now. I don't even care about those they are giving the things to, because Nippon bring your mama. About the kind of here go so a hiomo omo diane obita on the channel say that means that in the life no only 100 Ghana da ho. And who caused it? The government has not put policies in place to help them. Inti ehiano abane na achechire ohiano begu nipa no so owie ne na ofa omoma se mo nkoche gari ni beans mo omo inti young man na wono so asori age gari ni beans me koche ama me kromfo ehiafo no we mom yakumewufo mbrante o inti busa ho, where are we heading as a nation? Inti busa ho. And when you watch videos like that, you ask yourself, where are we heading as a nation? Obi ti kumewu o se ne banie abrante we de omo no mo beji kumewu esi wo wakoche gari and the beans and a move fin gu bag no chamanko for 2 cups 2 jimio and na o catch mo say monjin tuma ono abrantie na yesi we mu na Ghana ye de be hye omonsa last me catch them me say ye probi ma na di Ghana enim ana pagin me di enim a enye age o ye obi a wanyini a wejimi ene ye wo akwara a wejimi ye pe obi a na adwene ye adwuma a obedi enim. It's not about age. At least Akufo-Addo me say when nyini a enche se onim nyansa. At least na do dan Akufo-Addo me say when nyini a enche se onim nyansa. This is where we are. This is where we are. And where you are santifoma hwe nipa na mo cheduane mo hwe mo ho mobro obi abesi hospital esikumewu mon complete ne nipa omo ho no yare bo mo a sambrante we they will not speak on it o omo twen no mo de gari abema omo wi a na Akufo-Addo ba 6 million restaurant e wa Accra embrante we omo fiom na nam we omo so be MPP for omo de omema kumewu man ene asantema di hia ko benso bewu no ehia no besa besi omo so efrise bedu mre bi no munya sa ahome no enso nkwa abontene nkoche obi ba be chama wo efrise omo hu se mu agimi and the moju se mu jejina mo na so hye togo jeans. In the next 10-15 years, most of my Sankofo position because when you nye. In the next 10-15 years, Moba sa a here for Jimmy, and yes, Jimmy, a year and a mani payasa. It is poverty that is making a man walk out of the bathroom at Tau Chana say Edge and Mukonko. Imprequedi and so good. And you're here and Kawensi. Into Mukume, 4 young men and women are more on say. Ye de ende ye MPP for ye ne de ebe ye ne se ye beje ademudie ni akoche emprekwadua na me nuanom me menka kire mo se ye create opportunity amom na wo unya opportunity di biem. Into the next 10 years no you will substitute these people. In the next 10 years no ebi kura 10 ewa you will substitute these people and am wo so magimi omoji amu konko akodi no next 5-10 years no wo na obabeji amu konko no if you say ejuma bia yen create na ende no ye ochina wo na obabetom into who boys switch Benin jeans and a Togo jeans. Almost like Otanoma Bohon or Trace like a sie. Kwasiafowe are the people we expect to be reasoning and to meet us halfway and to force the system to work. Omudi omo Jimmy Kura chain in Penifona, ye jeans omudi omo into they are not intelligent enough. No. Ahani abedu into kumewu this year na ese kumewu.
Yo, it's for Winnie and somebody Kevin Taylor edit to or reacted to a somebody Vim lady edit to Ghana no FIA John Dramani Mahama or Kochicheska and my delegate. Sasso and a Kevin Taylor Abisa said Sabra a year Alankash Echichiska bro ye walk Echichiska mo I didn't know the one come was aye Mahamanti and I what to when they essin so now Kevin Taylor the assembly at the Sasso and a Yakumu by election at Embasolo. Niema wane chiche sikane tuma wane de ma manfo no kabitila react ama wato to be edi amane wo the cow say juice no so na wo hwe oso betimi a kire wadwen afa aye ensem we nyina ho wo comment box ni mo bete minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.